Power users who rely on keyboard shortcuts complete tasks 3.1x faster than mouse-dependent users, based on productivity tracking data from 10,000 Excel sessions. Control plus arrow jumps to the edge of data regions instantly. Control plus N goes to the last used cell. Combined with Shift, they select entire ranges in milliseconds instead of slow mouse dragging. F2 enters edit mode on a cell. F4 toggles absolute references while editing, and Control plus D fills down. These three shortcuts alone eliminate hundreds of clicks per hour when building formulas. Alt plus equals auto inserts a sum formula for adjacent data. Control plus Shift plus L toggles filters on and off. Control plus T converts a range to a table. These are the shortcuts that make colleagues ask how you're so fast. I complete a realistic 10-minute Excel task twice, once with only mouse and once with these shortcuts. The timer shows the keyboard version finishing in under 4 minutes. Print the shortcut cheat sheet linked in the description and tape it to your monitor. Within a week, you'll be the fastest Excel user in your office. Subscribe for more tips.